To complete this week's Maker Monday task, you will need 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of water, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of a flavorless oil, a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of chocolate chips, and you will also need a mug, a fork, and some measuring spoons. Feel free to pause the video now to gather these items before starting. Hi everyone, my name is Lindsay. I work at the library. This week we are going to make brownies in a mug. It's really easy. All you have to do is put all the ingredients together that I outlined earlier, put it in the microwave for 1 minute, and then out comes a delicious brownie just for you. Let's get started. So first, I'm going to add in all my ingredients into this mug. So as I outlined earlier, we're gonna put 3 tablespoons of flour, okay. Then we're going to put 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then I'm going to add my 3 tablespoons of water, and I've already got that measured out. That's 3 tablespoons there. Put that in. Next, I'm going to add my cocoa powder. Still 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, what comes next? Let's see. I'm going to put my flavorless oil. So I've got canola oil here. So I'm going to add that in. 1, 2, and 3. There's my oil. Going to put a pinch of salt. So I don't have table salt right now. I just have this Himalayan rock salt. I'm just going to put a few grinds of that in there. That should be good. And then I'm going to add my vanilla extract. Now in this case, we just need half of a teaspoon. So I'll pour that in. Okay. Now I'm going to stop before I put the chocolate chips and just give that a quick stir. It's looking pretty good. You don't want to stir it too much, just so everything's kind of all mixed together and you don't have lots of chunks. Okay, so that looks pretty good to me. Last but not least, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of chocolate chips. So I've got my teaspoon here and my chocolate chips. I'm going to add 1 and 2. Okay, give it a quick little mix. And now I'm off to put this in the microwave for 1 minute. We'll be right back. All right, everyone, I'm back. I've got my brownie in a mug here. I've let it cool for just a few minutes. Now the fun part comes. You can top it with whatever you'd like. I'm gonna put some sprinkles on mine, just a few. Okay. You could also top it with maybe some caramel sauce or some jam or even some fresh fruit and whipped cream. Now the best part here, my first bite. That is very good. I hope you enjoy your mug brownie at home too. Bye.